In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage other currency invoices and payments in Zoho Books. This is an invaluable skill, especially if your business deals with clients from various parts of the world. Understanding how to handle multiple currencies can make your financial management much smoother and ensure that your records stay accurate across the board. So, let's dive in. First up, let's set up contacts in different currencies. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Customers module within Zoho Books. Once you're there, click on the Plus New option to initiate the process of adding a new customer. As you fill in the customer's information, pay special attention to the Other Details section. This is where you can select the desired currency from the drop-down menu. Now, a crucial point to remember here is that each contact can only be associated with one currency, so it's important to make sure you have the correct currency selected before proceeding. Having your contacts set up in the correct currency from the get-go will save you a lot of hassle down the line and ensure that your invoices are accurate. Next, let's create invoices in these different currencies. Start by going to the Sales section and then click on Invoices. Here, you'll see the option to create a new invoice by clicking the Plus New button. When you select the customer for whom the invoice is intended, you'll notice that the currency is automatically populated based on that customer's profile. This seamless integration within Zoho Books makes it easy to manage invoices without having to constantly check and double-check details. Zoho Books also does the heavy lifting by automatically converting the price of items saved in your base currency to the customer's local currency using the current exchange rate. This feature alone can save you time and potential errors in calculating costs. By following these steps, you'll find that managing invoices and payments in various currencies becomes far less daunting. Not only does it streamline your workflow, but it also enhances the professionalism of your business dealings with international clients. Taking the time now to familiarize yourself with these features in Zoho Books will pay off significantly as your business grows and evolves. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Remember, efficiently managing multiple currencies is a critical component of successful financial administration. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in the details. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide as often as you need. Have a great day and happy invoicing.